बड़ा काम होता है तो एक रिचुअल है कि हम पैर छूते हैं, ठीक है, तो छू लेते हैं पैर, ठीक है, तो छू लेते हैं, चलो।
We are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian.
ये खुद आप अपने पैर छू रहे हो, ये क्यों?
वो क्या है ना सर, हम नई जनरेशन है ना, तो क्या है कि पहली बार आपके साथ स्टेज पे यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो ऐसी जो फीलिंग है ना, तो बहुत ही कमाल किया था। ऐसा लगा कि यार खुद ही के पैर छू के खुद ही को आशीर्वाद दे देते हैं ना। तो
कभी कभार वो छोटे छोटे शहरों से भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो जाती हैं सर।
देखिए, मैं वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आप दोनों होस्ट कर रहे हो और मेरी सारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं, दोनों के साथ हैं। एक होस्ट की तरफ से, यहाँ तो मैं निर्देशक निर्माता दोनों हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ इस मंच पे होस्ट हूँ, तो होस्ट होने के नाते मैं आप दोनों को बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स दुआएं देना चाहता हूँ। आई होप यू आर गोना रियली रॉक इट at IFA Rocks, and you all are both going to kill it, and it's going to be fantastic. But we have a very important announcement to make right now, and if you give me the permission, I'd like to do that.
अरे सर, प्लीज सर,
And I do the honors for
South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're trying to
wraps.
keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now we're actually on stage. We're actually in IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries, not just as an actor but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And IFA, thank you for putting all this together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsava? Yes. Thank you. So I think that will be
It's a
the...
deliverable.
It's a deliverable?
We are coming. Clap louder, y'all asked us to.
Thank you, the 3 IFA partners.